Welcome back to my channel. My name is Vishaka Pujari, and if you like the video, please take a moment to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. To prep my skin, I'm going to moisturize my face with the moisturizer, and once the moisturizer sets, I'm going to apply the primer and also let it set for at least 5 minutes before we start with the makeup. So I'm using a gel based primer because I have an oily skin. I'm using an orange color corrector to just color correct the pigmented areas on my face. Link to purchase all these products will be in the description box and also in the comment box. So if you want to check it out, please do check out the links. With my foundation brush, I'm going to lightly dab it on my face so that it gets even, and when we apply the foundation, it will blend very nicely. For my eyebrow, I'm going to use the NYX brow pen. This is in the shade brown. I am just lightly filling up the sparse area in my eyebrow. And after filling the sparse area, I am going to lightly just outline the eyebrow and give a nice definition to the eyebrow. Once you're done with filling up the eyebrow, always remember to use a spoolie again and just brush it up again so that if there's any excess left, it can get out with the spoolie. For my eyeshadow today, I am going to use a very light shade of the brown color as my base color. And once it is settled, I am using a darker shade of brown on my eyelids. For the crease area, I am using a darker shade of orange and I am lightly blending it with the brown color. I have taken a very light amount of black eyeshadow and just blending it at the sides of the eye, creating a very basic winged eyeliner with the help of Maybelline eyeliner. For the lashes, I am using the Maybelline mascara. I'm using the mascara on the upper lashes as well as the lower lashes. I have used the Nykaa kajal on my waterline. Then I'm going to remove the excess from the mascara wand and apply it on my eyebrows with a very light hand. This will give you an effect of the eyebrow gel. For the foundation, I am using the Lakme foundation today. It gives a very dewy effect. I'm lightly dotting the foundation on my face. You can use a damp beauty blender or a foundation brush like this to blend in the foundation. Take your time and blend it very nicely so that it blends well with the color corrector that we had used and there is no creasing in any area of your face. For the concealer, I am using a lighter shade from the Maybelline foundation. You can use any concealer that you have. I am using this to highlight my face. With another brush, I am going to lightly blend it with the foundation. And you will see this already gives a contoured look to the face. Take your time and blend it very nicely with the foundation so that it doesn't give you a very cakey look. This is my favorite part. Take your time and blend it very nicely. I am taking it upward towards my eye area. It gives you a very bright highlighted look to your face. I hope you can already see the difference. To set it, I am going to use the Maybelline compact powder and dab it very lightly wherever we have highlighted the foundation or if you're using the concealer. For the contour, I am using the ITEX contour powder. I am taking it towards my hairline area. You can also use a contour stick if you have, or you can use a darker shade of the foundation and apply it wherever I am applying the contour. Always remember to blend it so there are no harsh lines of the contour. I'm using a cheek tint as a blush today. I am dotting the blush tint very lightly on my face. I'm using the same foundation brush and dabbing the blush tint very lightly on the upper side of the cheek area. I'm using the Maybelline highlighter. I am using it under the eyebrow area, some around the cheek area, and also some on the nose center and on the nose tip. I'm also dabbing a very light amount of that highlighter in the inner eye area. To complete the look, I'm using the Faces liquid lipstick today. This is in the shade 07. Description of this and the link for the products will also be in the description box and the comment box below. You can also use a setting spray after the makeup is complete. And our makeup look for today is complete. Please do let me know in the comment section if you like the video. Thanks for watching.